In this video, we'll install PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is a database management system, and it's also dubbed the world's most advanced open source relational database. So it's basically a relational database system that can be used to develop a wide variety of data applications. There are many reasons to choose PostgreSQL for its speed, reliability, robustness, performance, security, and it's been active for over 30 years, which is pretty great if you ask me. It's also available on all the major public cloud services like AWS, GCP, stand for Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and yeah. Okay. And there are various ways in which you can install PostgreSQL on your machine. If you're on Windows, you can visit the official website and download the latest version and run the executable file. The installation should be pretty straightforward. It's even mentioned somewhere here on the website. The installer is designed to be a straightforward, fast way to get up and running with PostgreSQL on Windows, which is a great thing. Unfortunately, I won't be able to demonstrate the Windows steps as I'm using a Mac OS. I'm using Mac OS. But if you're on Mac and Linux, you should complete the installation using the command line manager Ombre. I read in an article earlier that installing Postgres database using Ombre is much easier and much cleaner, as it automatically manages the dependencies that PostgreSQL needs to install. So this will be the process I would follow in this video. However, if you don't know Ombre is a package management solution on Mac OS and Linux, and you can use Ombre not only to install PostgreSQL but to install many other libraries. Alright, so that's all I have to say about Ombre. Now let's move on to check whether you have Ombre already installed in your computer. So first up, you would need to open up your terminal. And to open up your terminal on Mac, you can press the shortcut and you type terminal. And once your terminal is open, you can run the command brew in the terminal, and you should see a list of Ombre services just as displayed on my screen. However, if you see nothing, it may be because Ombre hasn't been installed on your computer. Alright, so to install Ombre on your computer, you would need to use the following command, and we could go on the Ombre GitHub repository. I'll link this in the description, and you copy the link, and this command will connect to the GitHub repository for Ombre and get it installed on your computer. So after the installation, you can run the Ombre command once again to see if everything works perfectly. Alright, so I already have it installed and everything's running perfectly for me. I hope the same for you. So after the installation, it's a good practice to always update Ombre before performing any operation with it. So to update Ombre, you run brew update, right? So you type in brew update, then you press enter, and this should update Ombre for you. so it's going to take a little while, and already up to date, right? That's perfect. So now we can move on with the PostgreSQL installation. So to install PostgreSQL, we would use the command brew install PostgreSQL, and this will get the latest version of PostgreSQL installed on our computer. So okay, it seems like I have an error right here. Whenever I get an error message, I think, or whenever you get an error message, the best thing you should do is copy the error code and Google it. You can as well go back to the documentation and try to find if you can find an answer to that. But right now, I don't know if I typed it correctly. Let me type in once again. Okay, so it seems like I have an issue. There's an issue right here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the warning and I'll paste it on Google. You should do the same thing if you come up with any, if you find out, if you discover any errors, just copy the error message and Google it. You'll probably find a good answer to it. So I'm going to, I'll choose the first one. Yeah, I'll choose this. It's more recent, so I guess. Okay. Okay, so there are a lot of opinions right here on how to fix this issue, and a lot of failed code as well. I'm going to take a quick glance at everything, then find out what I have to do. Sometimes the answer may be down below, so that's why I'm scrolling to the end. Okay. Okay, I couldn't find a good answer right here. Let me check the GitHub repository of Postgres. Okay. Well, there's nothing that can help me right here. This is interesting. Okay. It seems like I used the correct code to install Postgres, but the error message so I'm trying to debug this error. Let me go back to the GitHub place. Okay, so from all of the articles I read, I didn't see anything that could help me fix this error. So basically the best thing to do right here is to just Google the error message, and I think I should go back to the GitHub. Yeah, I should probably go back to the GitHub repository. Yeah, I probably find an answer right here. Someone must have fixed this somewhere. Okay, you ran Brew Doctor and fix all issues and can still reproduce the problem. I've run Brew Doctor and fix a number of issues. Okay, so I'm going to try out this Brew Doctor and see if it could fix some of my issues. Okay, so this is some of the tabs are on the default Git's origin branch and may not receive updates. If this is a surprise to you, check out the default branch with. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this code and I will run it and see the default branch. Okay, this is going to take a little while. Alright, I'm already on the master. Alright, let me try installing again. Oh, it's working now. Wow. Okay, so basically, if you come up with, if you find out any error, just copy the line where you find the error or the warning and Google it. Your answer will definitely be on Google, and someone may have come up with the same, someone may have experienced the same issues as you and I've found a solution to it. So Google it and see what's how other people fix this problem that you're having. So right here I was able to Google and I found Brew Doctor, and Brew Doctor gave me some warning, which I copied the code and I ran it. I tried it again and it worked. So try out the same thing, and if you're getting the same error message as me. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what more you would like to see. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.